Today we will see how to use custom tables to memorize information that you can't save in the customer, product or list master data. You can edit these tables from the web app or app. Let's start to see how to create and use these tables. Remember, everything we're about to see is only available on PC, as the web app on smartphones and tablets has reduced functionalities. Let's go on the menu in the top left corner. Custom tables. Here we can create our custom tables. We are going to create one now to memorize recurring purchases or purchase preferences of a customer. Click on plus, choose a code like customer purchases, give it a description and confirm. You will see now a table with code to identify that row. You can't have more than 2 lines with the same code. Enable checks if users can see a determined row. The other columns are editable. Let's rename text 1 with client code, clicking on the gear icon and then apply. Text 2 with product code, numeric 1 with quantity, and date 1 with last visit. Let's add a new column integer, calling it frequency, from the actions. These are all the informations that operator on fields will have to complete. If we want our operators to be able to see this table, let's go on actions and choose the associations. Let's see now how to create a form that collects all this information to write it in the table. Go on the menu, Forms, look for an example like Purchase Order Request Form, create a new revision and go in the second step. Add a new text field and call it Delivery Frequency. Select under Content Type Numeric. Add in the second step a product field as well. Call it Product/Service. Click on Advanced and then reload the step when it changes value. Let's now add the custom table to the step. Click on the step, Custom Table, plus, choose a name like Client Formula, leave as Custom Table Selector fixed value, as we will just write in the table we created before. If you want, you can add JavaScript code. Choose the custom table we created before, Customer Purchases. As List Item Selector Formula, let's choose Formula. Click on the gear icon and add variable. Choose Client ERP Code. Write plus. Open quotation marks. Add an underscore in the middle. Add another plus. Add a variable, Product ERP Code. Save and then click on the cloud to choose the mapping of the fields. Choose Insert Update. As client code, select Client ERP Code. As product code, select Product ERP Code. As quantity, the product quantity. As frequency, select Delivery Frequency. As last visit, select date. We are now ready to save and go to PDF Designer. Save and close. Choose the visibility and then publish. When we complete this from app, all the information we put in will be saved in the custom table and each product will create a new row. If the code is the same between 2 elements, the last one will take the place of the one before. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn for future updates. If you have any questions, contact us on info@mightydocs.com or leave a comment.